Hi, I'm Richard Talbot from Mountain Equipment. I'm here to talk you through the new Earthrise jacket, which is new for autumn-winter 2018. It's the first fully 100% recycled down jacket that we have in our collection. So the down is 100% post-consumer recycled down, an 85-15, 650 fill power mix. And on top of that, both the outer shell and the lining fabric are also 100% recycled. It's really lightweight. The total weight on the jacket is just 360 grams. As you can see, with its narrow baffle design and slim arm detailing, the whole jacket packs down into a really small stowable package, great for hiking, ski touring and general mountaineering.